Two astronauts are stepping outside the station today for one object NASA cannot inspect from the ground, a rendezvous antenna that did not deploy as planned. The official job list sounds routine. Sergei Kudzverchkov and Sergei Mikheyev leave the Poisk airlock. One suit carries red stripes. One carries blue. They install a solar radiation experiment on Zvezda. They remove old science hardware from Poisk and Nauka. Inside the station, Andrei Fediev works the European robotic arm from Nauka. But the camera keeps pulling toward one small silver clue. Progress 94 launched in March with food, fuel, and supplies. After launch, one Kurs automated rendezvous antenna did not deploy as planned. NASA said the rest of the cargo ship was operating as designed, and Roscosmos kept troubleshooting. That is why today's spacewalk is not only maintenance. It is orbital forensics. Outside the station, every handhold matters. The station moves around Earth faster than a rifle bullet. There is no floor, no rescue truck, no second take. Just a cargo ship, a service module, a robotic arm, and two people turning a hardware question into evidence. If the timeline leaves room, the crew will photograph the Progress 94 Kurs antenna. Not to make a dramatic shot. Help engineers understand what happened to a docking system that normally lets a cargo craft find the station automatically. This is the part space news often hides. The International Space Station is not one object. It is a flying city of modules, experiments, spare parts, and old decisions. One antenna that refuses to open becomes a root problem. That root problem becomes a crew procedure. That procedure becomes humans outside the vehicle. This Roscosmos EVA is listed as the 279th Spacewalk Supporting Station, Assembly, Maintenance, and Upgrades. The station survives because the outside keeps getting touched, photographed, removed, replaced, and understood. So watch the tiny object. Not the size of it, the consequence of it. In orbit, even a small antenna can pull humans out into space.